Hello, students. I hope you all are having a wonderful time picking up new words and learning to read. Today, I'm going to read out a story to all of you. It's about a girl named Sangeeta who enjoys a lot with her grandfather. It's always fun to be in the company of your grandparents, isn't it? You too, I'm sure, love being closer to your grandpas and grandmas. That's because of the loads of love that you get from them. Sangeeta also loved her grandpa. So let's find out, why was that so? Let's listen to it from Sangeeta herself. Come, let's all meet her. Hello everyone, I am Sangeeta. I live with my parents and grandparents. My grandfather loves me a lot, and we both like to hang out during weekends. Last week, my grandfather let me bring my friend Milind along. All three of us enjoy fishing. So we made plans to go fishing to a nearby pond. Early in the morning, all necessary things were put in the trunk of the car. Well, the trunk means the boot of the car. We three were quite excited. But as we got closer to the pond, the place started stinking. As we drove nearer, we could see how the area was dumped with garbage and junk. We could also hear the sound of big machines that were cleaning up the area. Oh, Grandpa, look! What do we do now? To me, our picnic seemed to have ruined. But my grandpa did not want to disappoint us. He thought for a while and quickly came up with another plan. We then decided to go fishing by the bank of the river. It was indeed a long drive, and after a while we could spot the river. Grandpa stopped near a bend. With the onset of the spring, the entire bank was covered with little pink and yellow flowers, making the place look so beautiful. At a distance, I could see a few swings and wanted to go with Milind and have some fun. But we were quite hungry by now. So we sat and ate the yummy sandwiches my mother had given. We had also taken a lot of water and some lemonade to drink. Grandpa listened to his favorite old songs while he sat and relaxed close to the river. He also made us sing along a few of them. We kept talking the whole evening. I was lucky enough to have caught 2 fish as well. That night, we camped on the bank of the river. We three had a great time. Milind was so thankful to me for this wonderful experience. At the end of the weekend, we didn't want to go home. But my grandpa then promised us a jungle safari very soon. Milind and I hope to accompany him again at the end of this year. So children, that was Sangeeta's day out with her grandpa. Hope you all enjoyed listening to it as much as I did narrating it to you. Now here's a small task I have for all of you. I want you to listen to the narration once again and try to identify and pen down the words ending in ND, NG and NK sound. We shall soon discuss them in our English class. Till then, bye and take care.